Today we are going to look at the room plan and the possibilities and options to visualize the occupancies. Booked rooms and beds are displayed with the guest name, the match code, and the registration number. The color of the booking refers to the type of reservation, the type of guest, or to the gender. We do remember the button C. Allotments always begin with the guest number, and the color can be defined in the settings. Also, rooms for the internet allotment are marked in this overview. The marking is done dynamically. That means the rooms are only marked as allotments as an example, but can also be occupied otherwise at any time. In this case, the system will mark other rooms of the same room type. The so-called fill beds are displayed in light gray with the guest's name, the match code, and the registration number. If different guest names have been entered in a reservation, for example a group reservation, the system displays the first three characters of the reservation or group name, followed by the name booked on the respective bed. Reservations which are still not fully or just partially paid are displayed in bold. Reservations which are fully paid are displayed in normal. If the guest has already checked in, his or her name is underlined. Should a guest check out a day early and we have forgotten to reduce the stay in his or her reservation, the name of the guest will be crossed out. Blocked rooms and beds are displayed in black. Available rooms and beds do not receive a name, but might be displayed with the internet allotment. Either the rooms are displayed alternately in white and light green, or single available beds are displayed in the color according to the gender. Blue for male, green for mixed, and red for female. And totally free rooms are displayed in white. In case we require a specific room for male or female guests, we can mark the room accordingly. By clicking in the desired room with the right mouse click, the form for the gender assignment will open. We can now select the period and the gender the room should be assigned to. By clicking on a free room or by dragging the mouse, the quick reservation is called up. By clicking on a guest's name, we can call up his or her reservation.